So in dancing with a fan, one of the most important things, important techniques, basic techniques that we need to learn is how to open and how to close the fan. And the same techniques apply whether you're using a large pericon performance fan or if you're using a small abanico everyday life fan. To open and to close the fan, we have two main elements. One is the wrist, what you do with your wrist, which is basically just move the wrist forward and back. And the other element is the force of gravity, how to use gravity to our advantage. So we are holding the fan, with a grip, with well grasped, so your fan doesn't fly, which can happen. And then you release, holding the fan with your thumb and your index finger. And what is important here is that when you want to do that, you bring the fan, the beginning of the fan, which is called the varilla, the first varilla. You put your index in the back, your thumb in the front, which is very easy, right? So we grab index finger, thumb, and these other fingers, the middle finger, for instance, and the ring finger are holding the fan, right? And then I release ring and middle finger, and the fan is gonna fall and open. If you release the fingers, the fan will drop.